Today, talking about our tips that come with our Q-Tech package. Bedford supplies a standard 517 used for all sorts of purposes, for high output areas, ceilings, walls. And we also include a 310 fine finish for our fine finish applications where you need that special tiny particle size to make everything just shine a little bit. Included in each tip is a tip seal, and the fit of each tip is standard to fit in most universal tip guards. A unique aspect of these tips is the carbide cut, and the precision aspect of it just emits a pure one-toned sound. So as you're spraying, you're not being impounded by different hissing sounds, but you can hear the quality throughout your spray patterns. The tip guard, you can see this tip fit this tip guard. This tip guard's a universal 7/8 tip guard. It'll fit all industry standard guns. So I unthread this here. You'll just poke your tip seal into there, thread it on, and away you go. If you want more information on where to buy the products shown to you, please visit bedfordprecision.com or call Bedford's customer service line.